I want to show a quick video on how to get a 2D plane of a shape like this so that you can pocket it out or profile mill it. The problem with this is you have an edge up here, you have an edge down here, but there's no one edge that defines the entire perimeter of this shape here. So we really have to create that. And right, you can see that there's an edge right here, but it just ends right there. So it only goes halfway around. So there's, like I said, there's no edge that goes all the way around. And that's even at the bottom, because the bottom comes over to here and then stops, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to basically create some 2D CAD geometry using this data here, and then we can use that to put a toolpath on. So we first go to CAD and we create a new sketch. And let's see, we're going to show normal to this plane where we're going to work. And so this is the shape we want to work with right here. So what we're going to do is select our plane. We're going to say face and face, origin, and angle. So I can just click on basically any of these faces here. Let's go ahead and do the very topmost one right here. So now we're going to create, so now our plane is basically at the very top of this, so that plane that we just selected there. So now I can just do, we're going to go through and create a couple of lines. Let's see, we basically have lines, one right here is 4 lines and 4 arcs. So we can just click right here and right here. Oh, sorry, I have to create a line first. So yeah, okay, I already did select lines. So we're creating lines here. So now we make another line right here and right there. And I'm going to kind of rotate around this way so I can see this side. And as I'm doing that, it's projecting these lines. They're not actually, see if you look, I'm not actually selecting the line over there. I'm selecting where that line would intersect the plane. So go from there to there. And then on the other side, we'll go from here to here. And then let's go ahead and just turn off our model so you can kind of see what that looks like, right? Just 4 lines there. Okay, turn the model back on. And now we'll do create arc, 3-point arc. So now we're going to connect basically from right here. We can pick any point that's on that profile. So something like that, and then right there. And we have an arc. Do the same right over here. Go click, and we should be able to get any point that's on there. There we go. Make another arc right over here. Okay. Click and we'll grab that one, and then right there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So if I turn off my main part, you can see that's a closed shape which we can now profile or pocket. I like to just show the whole thing so we can get our distances right, our clearances right, and everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and just toolpath that real quick. We'll just do a pocket, and then I'll just make sure we're working on the right face here. Any of those are fine, and then we're going to chain. Turn off our main model so we can make sure we just select what we want there. And that's pretty much it. So now the only thing about this is, since we're not picking up our data off of the model itself, we have to get all of our clearance heights right and rapid 2 heights right. So we'll just go ahead and bring this up way above our part, 1/2 inch. We can kind of do a side view to make sure. So we're way high there. So we'll just actually change it to like 300. We should be fine. And we'll change this to say 1/4 inch for the rapid 2 height. So now it'll spiral down from that top surface, and we should be good. Okay, great.